Hey there everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to record slow mode on your Snapchat video. It's a very cool and interesting thing to do. It's also relatively simple, so let's just jump into it. What you want to do, of course, first is open up your Snapchat. Once you've done that, you want to record the video just by holding down the little button in the middle and record your video. Okay, so now we have our video here. I'm just going to mute it for the video's sake. So if you want to slow it down, all you need to do is just swipe right. Continue swiping right through all the special effects until you see this little snail. And once you're on it, as you can see, the video slows down. Just stay on it. And that's it. Now you can send it to your story or whatever you want to do. That's pretty much it. If this helped. If it did, leave a like and subscribe. And see you next time.